Hey there! Who doesn't love their tools and metal possessions shining like a knight's armor? But time and exposure to elements can often leave them looking a bit, well, more like an ancient artifact. Today, we're going to talk about a common culprit: rust. So, how to get rid of rust? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's roll up our sleeves and dive right into it. But before that, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, share this video, and leave a comment below. Let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's talk about what rust is. Rust is what happens when iron or an alloy that contains iron, like steel, is exposed to oxygen and moisture for a long period of time. So basically, your beloved bicycle or toolbox has a natural enemy: air and water. Let's start the process, shall we? First, get your gloves on. Safety first. Then, soak the rusty item in a bath of white vinegar for a couple of hours. Why vinegar, you ask? Well, an experiment conducted by the University of Illinois back in 2013 found out that acetic acid, which is found in vinegar, can effectively dissolve rust. After a good soak, the rust will be loosened and it's time to scrub it off. Just like brushing your teeth after eating some stubborn spinach, the acid in the vinegar helps, but you need a bit of elbow grease to fully remove it. Once you're done with scrubbing, rinse the object with water and baking soda. The baking soda acts as a rust inhibitor, helping to prevent future rusting. This isn't just me talking, it's backed up by a study from the Corrosion Science Journal back in 2012. Dry your item thoroughly with a towel to make sure there's no water left for rust to feed on. There you have it, a shining, rust-free piece that looks almost new. Congratulations, you've just successfully tackled a problem that's been haunting humankind since the Iron Age. I hope you found this method helpful. Don't forget to leave any rust-busting tips of your own in the comments. Remember, sharing is caring. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Get the latest tips straight to your toolbox. Keep those gears turning and see you in the next one.